Okay, people, so huge shout out to Soundcore. They sent me over my very first PR pack. Media bundle? PR bundle. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's just a box with a bunch of free stuff in it that I get to review in front of you guys. Now, I've seen plenty of my favorite tech YouTubers get these media bundles when new products get released, and I always thought to myself, damn, I can't wait till I start getting bundle packs like that. And you know what, people? The wait is over.
Want to see some love? It's Love Day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love. Now, before I get into this unboxing, as you can see on the box right here, it says always distracted by noise, and then you just get a bunch of noise words. It says engine, talking, honking, snoring, drilling, crying, siren, mowing, shouting, just a bunch of different words on the front side and the back side. And then you have this pull tab right here. It says open to discover space. Now, the reason why they say open to discover space is because their new lineup is their space lineup. So I did get a bunch of literature via email from Soundcore letting me know that what's inside of here is the Space A40 earbuds and then the Space Q45 over-the-ear headphones. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox these and see what Soundcore has been cooking up. Okay. As I open this up, as you can see right here, it says every journey sounds good. And I do believe that, okay, so you have your magnet at the bottom right there. So let me go ahead and open this up and see what they're talking about. Do you see that, people? I know you see what's in the box. Right as I open this up, on the inside, you do have the Space Q45s right here. You have the Space A40s right here. So it says, introducing Space Series. In a world surrounded by noise, personal space and moments of peace and quiet have become a luxury. Space brings you the ultimate noise canceling experience paired with ultra long battery life so you can enjoy some extra personal space wherever you go. You also get, is this? Oh, it's just a notebook. Okay, that's different. I don't know what that's about. You just get a notebook right here in this little Soundcore paper pouch. I guess you got notes to take, keep notes on here. So Soundcore asked me to make a dedicated video for the Q45s and the A40s. And so as you can tell from the title and thumbnail, I am going to be talking about the Space A40s in this video. Okay, so it's been a couple of days, sat with these earbuds right here, the Space A40 Soundcore truly wireless earbuds. And you know what? I will just let you know how I feel about these towards the end of the video. So stick around for that. So you can pick these up for around $99. You have a black, you have a white, and you have a navy blue. And I do have the black pair right here. On the front side at the top left, as you can see, it says Soundcore by Anker. Yo, Soundcore, when you watch this, highlight your Anker boss and let them know that I want to review some of the Anker products. So I'm loving what I'm seeing coming from the Anker side of the house. Space A40 true wireless noise canceling earbuds. Less noise, longer listening, high-res audio, wireless, adaptive ANC. I'll get to more about the adaptive ANC inside the app. I'll show you how to control it and all that. Up to 98% noise reduction, 50 hours of playback time. On the back side, it talks about the same thing pretty much over again. Adaptive active noise cancellation, 10 hours of playback time, high-res audio via double-layer diaphragm drivers, reduces noise up to 98%, ultra compact and lightweight. You have an app for this, which is available in Google Play Store and the App Store, and it shows the contents inside the box. And on the side of this box, you will see it gives you an image. It shows you your external mic, your internal mic, your ergonomic noise blocking fit, ultimate noise canceling, perform tested, reduce noise by up to 98%. And you can pick these up on the Soundcore website or Amazon. I'll have all links in the description down below. Okay, so 50 hours of playback time on here. So that's 10 hours on a single charge. And then the charging case will charge these back up 4 additional times. That's how you get your 50 hours. This product also has fast charge, so 10 minutes of charge time will give you 4 hours. I'm thinking one day you'll have earbuds that will just charge completely up in 10 minutes. I mean, technology in these earbuds are getting so crazy. Fast charge, turbocharge, whatever. You get so much more out of such a little time being on the charger that eventually I think it's like 10 minutes, charge completely back up. And then also to completely charge this back up with the USB Type-C port on the backside, I couldn't find exactly where it said how long it would take to charge these back up, but I wouldn't be surprised if it only took around an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours at the most. As you take the lid off, you will get your earbuds right here on top. Let me go ahead and set those to the side real quick, talk about all the content that comes underneath that. So you have your user manual, you get a USB Type-C to USB Type-A charging cable. I have a ton of these. And then you also get 4 additional ear tips. So they have it in like this peel back design right here. So 4 right here, 1 already come pre-installed on the earbuds, so that's 5 in total. And yeah, people, so that's everything that you get inside of the box. So now for these earbuds, as you can see, here is the charging case in a black color. I mean, it's nice, small, compact. These earbuds are Soundcore's lightest and smallest that they have in their entire earbud lineup. So the case is nice and compact, and so are the earbuds on the inside. Going around the charging case really quickly, you do have your LED lights on the front side right here. And then circling around to the back side, you have your USB Type-C charging port. And then you also have your Bluetooth connection button. The lid door is held closed by magnets, and the earbuds as well are held in by magnets. I don't think that you will have any issues with that. If you drop them from extreme height, then yeah, probably. The feel of this case right here is kind of like a soft silicone type feel. But it is all plastic. I don't know if I mentioned this before, these are able to be wirelessly charged. So if you set these on a wireless charging pad just like so, the LED light should come on just like that. Now these do have Bluetooth 5.2 in them, IPX4 rated, and multi-point connection technology in here. So what that means is that you can connect these to, let's just say, your cell phone and a tablet, or your tablet and a computer at the same time. I think the limit is only 2. You can't connect these to more than 2 devices, so just be wary of that. So here are the earbuds right here. On the outside, you do have your touch surfaces. You do have 3 microphones on each earbud, so 6 in total, which help out with the call quality, ANC, and transparency mode. There is no proximity sensor on these earbuds, so if you take them out of your ears, they will keep playing until you put them back in the case. I don't like that Soundcore has done that. I'm kind of thinking that these might be their baseline space versions, and they might come out with like A45s and A50s that have additional features on the earbuds to make it even better. I'm not 100% sure about that, but that's just my opinion. And yeah, people, that's pretty much it for the physical characteristics of the earbuds and the charging case. So now let me talk about the button functions with the app. Okay, so when you first get these earbuds, what you want to do obviously is put these earbuds on the charger, download the Soundcore app, and this is the beta version that I'm working with right here. So if there are any complaints or anything that I don't like about this app, hopefully by the time you watch this video or by the time you get your own earbuds, that Soundcore would have changed some things inside of this app. So Soundcore app right here, open this up. As you can see, I have the Space A40s already hooked up to my mobile device. Click inside of here. And before I dive too deep into this app, this is just a quick overview of the things I like about this app and things that I don't like about this app. If you want a full deep dive about this app, I'll put a YouTube card right here for a separate video about this app. There's only 2 main things that I look for inside of an app when it's connected to headphones and earbuds. The first thing is being able to control the touch controls. As you can see right here, you have single tap, double tap, and hold for 2 seconds. At the bottom, for each tab as well, you can turn each option on and off. So I'll leave that on. And then selecting the different options, if you click that, you have volume up, volume down, next, previous, and play pause. The options change a little bit. For double tap, you do have, addition to the ones I just said, you have voice assistant, game mode on and off, and an ambient sound. And then hold for 2 seconds is the same thing. You have all these other options right here. So when I do have ambient sound mode clicked, it gives you these options: noise cancellation, transparency mode, and normal. So if I just want noise cancellation, transparency mode, I would just uncheck normal. And so when I click that, it will just cycle through noise cancellation, transparency mode, and back and forth. Now, one thing that I don't like how this app is set up is that, as you can see at the top, it says single tap, double tap, and hold for 2 seconds. Now, when I review these Liberty 3 Pros, and now I'll put this in the full video of reviewing this app. For these Liberty 3 Pros, you have a 4th option at the top. In addition to single tap, double tap, and hold for 2 seconds, you also have a triple tap. And I do like having that there because I would use the single tap for volume up, volume down, double tap for play and pause on left and right. The triple tap to go to the previous track and the next track and hold for 2 seconds is where I would have my voice assistant and my ambient sound adjustments right there. But this one doesn't, so I just have to work with what we got. And then also you have your sound effects tab at the bottom right here. This is where you can do your customize the Hear ID sound. You have your default Soundcore signature sound. Underneath the default, you have a bunch of different presets already right there. And then you also have custom, and inside custom, this is where you go in and really dial in the highs, mids, and lows exactly how you want them. One thing that I did notice is that if I go into the settings tab and I click game mode on, I will not be able to adjust the EQ right there. I did forget to mention that inside the app, your adaptive noise cancellation. So what the adaptive noise cancellation does, if I click on the eye, it explains it to you. It says, with this mode enabled, Space A40 will automatically adjust the level of noise canceling depending on the noise level in your surrounding. It also reduces pressure for a more comfortable noise canceling experience. So if that's something that you want, you just don't want it on the manual mode and strong at all times, you want it in adaptive mode and have it adjust to your surroundings, they offer that inside of this app. And so that's pretty much it, people. Those are the two main things that I look for inside of an app, just adjusting the EQ and messing with the button functions. Other than that, everything else is just nice to haves, in my opinion. You might think different, but off first sight, that's exactly what I'm looking for when I go into an app. Okay, so now before I talk about the sound quality of these earbuds, yes, you are able to listen to these earbuds independently. So that means one could be in the case charging, and the other one could be in your ear, and vice versa. So technically doubling your battery life. Okay, so now for the sound quality, like I showed you inside of the app, you're able to customize this exactly how you want them. So definitely download the app, because the sound quality straight out of the box for these earbuds, they're not the best. I mean, I've heard worse, but definitely having the app will enhance the sound quality. One thing that I would like to mention is that on these earbuds inside of the app, when I try to get more bass out of it, I would get a decent amount of bass, but it wasn't like anything that was messing with, I don't know, your more higher end earbuds. But overall, I mean, the sound quality is very good. I think Soundcore has done better in the past. And that's another reason why I think that these are like maybe their baseline model of their space lineup, and they have additional ones coming out. Now that's just all my opinion. I have no fact behind that statement. But if they don't ever come out with another space version like this, then I probably just lied to you. My bad. And for latency, I tested out YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, Apple TV Plus, Peacock. I also gamed on these. I didn't notice any latency at all. And they do say that there's a gaming mode in here. And when I was gaming with the gaming mode off, I didn't notice any latency. Turn it on, obviously still no latency. So Soundcore did a really good job to minimize any latency when it comes to these. Now you might notice some latency when it comes to gaming, but I didn't when I did my test. So as you're hearing my voice right now, this is how the other person on the other end of a phone call will hear you. These do have 3 mics in each earbud to help make the call quality on these earbuds as good as possible. Inside of the app, you also have wind noise reduction as well as an option. You can turn that on and off, so that will also help out with your call quality. But let me go ahead and put some ambient music on, some ambient sound on, and let's see how much ambient sound these let in, or hopefully that they don't let in. It's on full volume right here, so we're gonna rock with this on sound effects. Let me know what you think. Feel free to leave a comment down below. I'm just gonna let this play for a little bit and see how much it is, but it is on max volume right now. So like I said earlier, if I'm talking, then maybe more ambient noise is going to get let in. So that's just something to be aware of if you do pick these up. Okay, people, and that is the conclusion of my call quality test. Let me know how you feel. Leave a comment down below. So this is an extreme test because I do have the speaker right here, so definitely keep that in mind as you listen to this video, or as you're watching this video. Okay, people, so that is my unboxing and initial impression of the Soundcore Space A40 earbuds. Overall, people, I do think that this is a good earbud. I mean, they feel great, they look great. They sound good. I think they could sound a little bit better. I adjusted the EQ and everything to what I normally have my earbuds set on, and to me, it just wasn't as loud as previous Soundcore earbuds that I've tested out. And then another thing I would like to see different or added is make that slight adjustment inside the app, add a triple tap inside the app so that you have just more options. You've done it on other earbuds. I don't see why you can't do it on these earbuds. All around, people, for your average music content consumer, these Soundcore Space A40s are not a bad deal at $99. Very, very good price point, especially if you're in the market for some new earbuds. Go ahead, give these a shot. But I do definitely think that Soundcore has room for improvement on these. That's all I got for you, people. As always, if this is your first time here or if you found any value in this video whatsoever, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below. And don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notification when I drop my next tech video. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.